How come the people are still there? Shit, it's strong. Oh my god. Oh, what's that? What's that?
Right, literally right at us now.
What is it?
It's literally right at like the balcony now, so it's about to hit.
You think it's a hail?
Well, could be. And here it comes.
It's not hail.
You know, lightning?
Lightning.
Yeah. It's just another big storm.
Lightning is not good if you're using a phone, I think. That's what they said. Jumper? Oh my god. What do you want the jumper for?
It's cold.
Why do you like it here outside? You should go inside.
I like to watch it like this. Yeah!
Shit! Bloody hell, Steven! It's not hail, it's just a really strong wind and oh, it's cold.
Yeah.
Cold, huh? What is it?
Just the rain, look the rain.
Oh, it's cold. It's getting cold. Oh, I think we should go inside. I'll close the door. Yeah, that's what he said. There was a lightning. I didn't see it. Isn't it? The hail should come first before the rain.
Have you ever seen the rain?